subscribers, they all tell you. So how to add the padding to your text field. So for doing that, you just need to just add like this one. So this one we will add this child, so we will just write like this one, child, and here we will also paste padding const edge, and just value, for example, like this one. And now we just need to also just close this like this and just check. So here you can see that everything's work. So if we will just go back, remove that, and hot restart. So here you can see that we just remove this. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.